What's up, you all? So today I'm gonna go ahead and do a small little vlog today, and I'm just gonna have a little fun. But I'm actually out at a market at the Critter Creek Farm in Gainesville, Florida. Critter Creek Farm Sanctuary. And let me show y'all what my booth is looking like, okay? So this is what we have. So I have my earrings here. The wind has been blowing today, y'all. Oh my gosh, I just noticed something. Oh wait, I forgot. I did not put a shell in the middle of these. So yeah, here are my earrings. These are, oh my gosh, y'all, I'm messing up right now. Whatever, I'll just leave it like that. Sunflower earrings. I actually had my booth looking a little different, but I think my husband changed some stuff around. He always does that whenever I leave. Okay. All right, perfect. Okay, everything's good. So here I have some items here. Got some earrings over here as well. I just sold a mesh cap. Okay, so that's really great. The mesh cap covered my booth fee, so we're good to go. And I did sell 2 scrunchies, so I haven't really sold much, and there's like 2 hours left of the market. But there was a date change on the market. It was supposed to be last week, but it rained. So I just figured it just wasn't much advertisement, or, you know, it's just 1 week of advertisement for the new date. But today is a beautiful day. These are my keychains here. I got my bags, and let me show y'all what my booth just looks like from a distance. I think it looks so pretty and colorful. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. I just love the way this booth is looking. I made some new crochet hats here, and I am so in love with how they turned out. I'm always telling people though, they should definitely try items on, because they just never know what it would look like. And then I have my crochet project back here. I had an order for this one lady that's due Saturday of this week, and I procrastinated. I have to make 8 hats, but they're just 8 simple plain hats, so it should be easy, although I'm like dreading them right now, but that's okay. Hello. So yeah, but I'll let you guys know how it's looking, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Yeah, so usually I would record while talking to people, but I didn't want to do this. I want this vlog to be really quick, but they were just looking at some of my items, and they asked if I make things for children. I tend not to bring things out for children, which I should be making more kid stuff. Like, I don't know why. I have a daughter and everything, but yeah, man, today sucks though, because they have a porta potty out here, right? I forgot to take my daughter's hat off. Guess what happened to the hat? It fell in the freaking porta potty water. It's gone. It's gone in her outfit and her hat. So cute. And it's gone. I was like, I'm not taking that thing back out and staying in there. I was like, oh my gosh, I was so upset. I cannot believe her freaking hat fell in the freaking toilet. I'm so mad at myself. Oh, she just flipped it off. She did this. I'm like, that's what I get. That's my fault. But y'all, this is the first hat. I got 7 more hats after this. I'm not gonna crochet anything until I finish this lady's order. And my goal is to have this order done by, today's Sunday. If I can have this order done by Tuesday, I'll be happy. Okay? Because there are some things that I do want to crochet. And I do need to put some of my items online, because when I go out to the markets, nobody wants nobody wants the extra fancy stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like these earrings. Like this is not the market. You know, out where I'm at, like North Florida area, you have to go like down south or whatever. So like my goal is to go to like 4 markets a year, but it have to be like 4 super good ones. Like go out to like Miami or something, or maybe go to Atlanta, something really big like that, and have my like primary focus be selling online through my website, because the market life is just not, it's just, I'm not a farmer's market person. I can't, it just doesn't work. So yeah, but I'll catch y'all later. I'm gonna try to finish up this first hat, okay? And I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. What is up, y'all? We are back. Market, we're about like an hour. We got 1 more hour left. And I actually had quite a few sales since the last video. Well, last time I was over here, so pretty great. I've sold some bandanas. I also sold a little water bottle holder and yeah, some other things, but everything is looking pretty good. This girl is trying to take her shoes off. Hello, hello, how are you? Uh-oh, stop. Hey guys, so this is supposed to be like a mini vlog anyways. So today is Thursday, and I gotta show you guys my hats, okay? Oh, I'm yawning. Okay, so I have not finished the commission. I have 2 more red hats to make, but I am so happy with this simple pattern. I charge $20 a hat, and at first I was like, why did I charge $20 a hat? You know, because it was just a simple request, and so I was like, I need to figure out just a super simple pattern that's really fast, because it's been a long time since I've really crocheted fast, you know. But this pattern right here was so simple. Took me 1 hour per hat, okay, and basically charged myself like $20 an hour, so I feel good. As a matter of fact, these hats actually low-key took me less than an hour to do, so I would just say like 45-50 minutes per hat. And I made these really cool simple crochet beanies, and I only have 2 more red ones to make, and that was it. So she wanted 3 purple, 3 red, a lime green, and a lemon yellow, and that's what we have here. And then I'll just put the labels on, and those will be ready on Saturday. And yeah, that was it. And I'm gonna be ending this vlog here though, because I do want to do another vlog, and I want to give you a sneak peek of what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I am going to be doing a tutorial on a crochet baseball cap, so y'all get ready, and let me show you guys what I got from Hobby Lobby the other day. So if you guys know, so I like faux leather. Really fun to work with as far as making my baseball caps. So I will be incorporating tutorial on the brim in this video, and I'm going to be doing a whole baseball cap as a whole. I think I'm going to do a single crochet baseball cap or a granny square. So if you're watching this video, let me know, should we do a single crochet baseball cap with the brim, or should we do a granny square baseball cap, okay, still with the brim? and the yarn. I mean, not the yarn, the faux leather. So let me show you what I found. So Hobby Lobby, I found this in Hobby Lobby. This really caught my eye. When this goes in the sun, oh my gosh, it's crazy. And then this pink one I found, I love this. It is so beautiful. It's like what is it? It's glitter. It's glitter, like it's really glued on though. It's so tough, but it's perfect. But this gold one I should have got. They only had one of these, so whenever Hobby Lobby gets more, I'm gonna go back and get more of this. And then I also got 2 of these faux leather pieces from Hobby Lobby as well. So I thought those were really nice because yeah, it's beautiful. And then I have my leopard faux leather piece. Y'all vote. Y'all should vote. Tell me in the comments which one I should do. I'm really thinking about doing the gold though, because I have some ideas. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial, and I'm hoping to get that up next week, just so I can just get into my tutorial stuff. But again, this is a short vlog, so I'm keeping it really nice and short. And I just want to say thank you for watching if you did watch, and please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here. And y'all, I'm gonna be doing my thing, okay? I'm trying to make sure I get myself in the vlogging groove, because I might be doing a Vlogvember. Yeah, because November is my birthday month. So Scorpio, November 12th, okay? And I want to be getting some really great things done, you know, so you guys watch out, okay? So again, peace, love, blessings. Harvey B out.